This is an unassembled ergonomic kneeling chair by UPLIFT Desk. Ergonomic kneeling chairs are a unique way to achieve dynamic movement and better posture when you're not standing or sitting at your desk. And this is Eric. Today, Eric is going to show us how to assemble one of our ergonomic kneeling chairs. We recommend laying all of your parts out so they're easy to assemble. The first thing you'll want to do is attach the large brace to either the left or right rocker using the brace's metal screw pegs, with the wider part of the brace near the longer end of the rocker and the narrower part of the brace towards the short end of the rocker. Now attach the brace to the rocker using the medium screws. Feel free to hand tighten or use the included Allen wrench, but don't fully tighten the screws just yet. This gives us a little wiggle room when we install the smaller brace. We'll tighten all the screws later. You'll know you're installing the brace to the frame correctly if the 3 holes on either side of the rocker are facing inside, towards each other. Now you'll want to repeat this exact same procedure with the other rocker. Next, insert 2 of the wood pegs on one side of the small brace and slide the small brace between the rockers. Line up the wood pegs with the outer 2 holes on the rocker and press the small brace up against the rocker. Once the small brace is in place, insert one of the 2 barrel nuts into the top hole on the small brace. Now insert one of the long screws into the hole on the outside of the rocker and begin tightening by hand or using the Allen wrench. But don't tighten completely. Now attach the small brace to the other rocker following the same process. If you'd rather have the barrel nuts hidden, just insert the small brace upside down with the holes for the barrel nuts facing the floor. At this point, we're going to assemble the seat and knee cushions using the short screws and remaining wood pegs. Insert 1 wood peg into the middle hole on the longer ends of each rocker. Make sure to insert them by hand only. Using a hammer or any other tool can damage the pegs or the frame. Now align the assembly with the seat cushion and push the pegs into the middle holes on the seat cushion. Make sure the curved edge of the seat cushion is facing inward or towards the front of the kneeling chair. Then insert 4 of the small screws to firmly attach the seat cushion to the rockers. Do not tighten these all the way. Time to attach the knee cushions. Insert 2 wood pegs into the outer holes on the shorter ends of each rocker. Again, this should be done by hand. Now flip the assembly over and align one of the knee cushions with the pegs on the shorter end of one of the rockers and attach it using one of the small screws. Make sure the round ends of the knee cushions face the same direction as the seat cushion. Repeat this step for the other knee cushion. We're almost done. Now all that's left is tightening the 12 screws you installed. Using the Allen wrench, tighten each screw completely, but be careful not to over-tighten. This can cause the screws to strip. Also, make sure you don't miss any screws. After you're all done, you have yourself an ergonomic kneeling chair that's fit for your home or office. For more information on our ergonomic products and to see what we have in stock, visit upliftdesk.com today.